Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Sunday, October 8th. Time is around 11:50 GMT, and we will have a look at the FTSE futures on the Wanda platform. It's Sunday, markets are closed, but we will do a higher time frame analysis and we will also prepare the lower time frame for Monday, October 9th. So here we are looking at the FTSE weekly chart. So my take on the FTSE is that we could have a wave one up here in the higher degree as 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then now we should be working on a wave two correction here. This is clearly corrective structure, but I believe there is also an alternative scenario here in the weekly where this corrective structure is playing out as a triangle. Then our scenario looks like this scenario in red with our wave one here, wave two, then a wave three high, doing the triangle as a wave four. And this wave four should then be followed by a wave five up. So now we are in the situation that I believe that actually both scenarios are equally valid because, like, okay, it's difficult to predict a triangle up front. Like once a triangle is there, it's easy to identify, but in order to have a triangle, you really need to to print the triangle. And as long as we do not take out this high here, the triangle is still not there. However, it is potentially there, as this is then our wave A, B, wave C like this, 1, 2, 3, then a wave D here, 1, 2, 3, and then this here could be the wave E, so the wave E low. And what needs to happen now is we have to take out this high here in order to have this, in order to have the triangle, taking out this high here, and then this high here will follow, of course, the all-time high, and then we can go to new highs. So actually taking out this high here is not enough, because as a wave D, what can still happen is this. So in a triangle, we are moving in three, and then it could still be 1, 2, 3 as a wave D, down as a wave E, and then up here from the wave E low. So for now, I would draw it like this. But yeah, like I told you, we only know if we have a triangle. Once a triangle is it's there, that's the difficulty about trading triangles. Even within the triangle, now there is still a variant with this here, like I just explained, your wave three and your wave D in 3, 1, 2, 3, just like we had or wave C here in 3, 1, 2, 3. I saw many people counting this here as the wave C, but this cannot be the wave C, because this low here goes beyond this low here. So actually, we could have the same situation as a wave D, in the wave D. So that's a possibility. So why do I say that we might have our wave E here? Just like I said last week, like in order to predict this triangle, I would look at the other indices to identify if this here could be the wave E low. And the situation in the other indices is that they potentially finished a correction. Now we have to see the next price movements, if they are impulsive or still corrective. But if they are impulsive, it might mean that that the FTSE will simply act with the other indices, and if the other indices will move up, then the FTSE will also go up, and then this here was potentially the wave E low, and that would mean that we can start an impulse from here. But again, trading this looking solely at the FTSE is really difficult, in my opinion. Triangles are really difficult to trade, because a lot of things can happen here within the triangle because they are moving in tree. Um, so yeah, we will only know afterwards if the triangle is here. Just by putting everything together, I would say this could be a wave E low, but we will only know for sure once we take out this high here. Okay, so as long as this is not happening, we do not get much wiser from the higher time frame. So it's better to look at the lower time frame. And then if we look here, at the daily, for the moment, this still drawn as a corrective move like this, like the scenario in green here in the weekly as a wave 2. But actually, like I said, the higher time frame does not really matter for now in the FTSE. We do not get much information from there. Like, we can also really identify if there is a weekly bearish cycle or a weekly bullish cycle. Both options are valid. What we see in the daily is that this downward cycle in the daily is about to break, but that's also not really surprising, I would say, as we potentially had a move down here that was finished. Look at our wave X area, also in the 4 hour. Look at this WXY area. So a reaction from here is not really surprising, and this reaction could happen or would happen both in the bearish and in the bullish scenario in the higher time frame. So, like you see right now, so let's just consider the lower time frame. Like I said, here in the daily, we are breaking this downward cycle, which is a bullish sign, at least a bullish sign in the lower time frame, I would say. Um, in the 4 hour, we are also breaking this downward cycle here. So this move from here is a downward cycle we are breaking. So this opens now the door for more upside, I believe. And then, the next move I would expect is that we would go here to this area, that this wave Y area. So this is the area we can find by taking the length of this wave W, the length of this wave X, and then we get here into this area, this wave Y area. Now, what's important in the bearish case, we cannot really take out this high, of course. If the triangle is playing out, we will take out this high here and this high here. So for the moment, this looks bearish in the bullish in the lower time frame, but we don't know yet exactly what it will be in the higher time frame. There might be one more or there might be a trap in the lower time frame. Like here, if we look at the 1 hour, what we can still not exclude is this scenario here in red, and this scenario is saying that here the Y leg is not finished yet. So my preference is that it is finished. It looks finished. Like, we are in the wave X area, we are in the wave Y area, and also from here, so this wave Y also looks like a complete structure as a WXY structure here. Now, what will be an alternative for this wave Y playing out is that this was only the first leg of the wave Y. So as a wave A, then that we now have a wave B up, and then one more low as a wave C. So yeah, this low has some importance. Like if we would see an additional low, it will be a marginal new low. I believe we should still respect here this areas, and then from this additional marginal new low, we can see the upside. But my primary scenario is saying that we might see more upside from here. So now let's see the next days what for data we get here. The problem for now is that we still have a lot of overlap, and yeah, this is not really good, or this is not really impulsive. Like the best impulses do not have overlap, like we had here. Like okay, 1 2, like this is clearly in impulsive, we do not have overlap. But at the other hand, like in the wave 1, it is not really exceptional to have this overlap here. A wave 1 can be a leading diagonal, and then you have this overlap. Let me have a look in the 15-minute. If I labeled this, yeah, I would label this as a wave 1 here. This is the wave 2, and then yeah, we should further see a 3 and a 4 and a 5 as if this is impulsive. However, if we get this additional C leg, then yeah, we will know quite soon. I think in the sense that we reach the wave B area. If this is a WXY structure, we also reached the wave Y area here on the lower degree. If we take the length of the wave W, so here the length of the wave X, then here this is our wave Y area, the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. And then yeah, probably as soon as we take out this low here, this would be an indication that we will have this additional wave C down. But it looks like yeah, we have enough right here. We have the swings, we are in the areas, so it looks like everything is here. Also, yeah, from a distribution point of view, like if you would compare the first leg here to the second leg, they are almost the same in length. So also that looks good. So let's see what we get the next hours and days. So that's my analysis for the FTSE higher time frame and lower time frame. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you back on Tuesday for an analysis of the lower time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.